The work which we are doing is Cherial painting. It's from Warangal district of Telangana. And this is the old traditional of Telangana scroll painting. We call as Nakashi painting. Early period there were no cinematography, nothing was there. And these are the visual paintings to educate and to entertain the people.
The challenge that I see is that artists do not have a platform or a space where they can develop new narratives that they want to put down in their medium. Apart from that, the other challenge is how to find that new audience for their stories.
We interacted with Vinay, who is the Cherial artist. He taught us the art form, and we started learning the art form with breaking down its elements. So, for instance, borders, human figures, animals, instruments, all the little things about the art form that makes it what it is.
Learning this art from Andhra Pradesh was a wonderful experience because being an art student, I never did this kind of art form, like folk art. I never did that.
When we went to the class, instead of just taking Cherial, we took visuals of many other art forms to them, like Patwa, Patachitra, Madhubani, for instance, just so that to bridge that gap, so that they know what they are getting into and what they are going to learn.
I think that's what the Storytellers Collective wanted to explore. How do young people who've never seen this art experiment with this art, and how do younger children use this art in the closed boundaries of their classroom to experiment and open a new world.
What Storytellers Collective and the project has given me and my kids is very big space to explore our imagination and creativity.
We are learning about an art form that we didn't know about. Only 3 families is doing this art form, but we have a great pleasure to do this art form.
We've divided our Storytellers Collective into different sections of kids who are doing different things for the project. Half of the kids are painting, some of them are drawing, some of them are doing the storytelling work. Kids realize what their potential is and then they're working towards that particular area.
Here they are creating a story and then using this art form to illustrate that story. In that ways, they are not just learning the art form, they are also connecting it with their own life.
The experience with the children was actually the most wonderful thing in the world. They were highly motivated to learn something new and something that's not been taught to them before. They were highly inquisitive and interpretive about paintings and art, which I never knew that would come across so easily.
Cherial shows another way of drawing a picture or a story.
The most difficult thing was coming to a consensus about one storyline and getting children to work together to not say that this is my story, this is your story, but this is something we have come up with as a collective.
The idea behind Storytellers Collective is not just to revive an old art form, but here we are trying to connect young people to something which they own, something which they can connect to their own cultural heritage.
So we had community showcases and exhibitions where we were exhibiting children's work. In those events, the Cherial art itself went out of those classrooms. Whatever the kids did went out to their own communities. Their parents came to see what they all have done.
The experience here is quite magical. I've been looking at these children and their growth and development for the years they're in. It's quite exemplary, and I can't imagine a better way to take an art forward.
I am seeing the works of the children and their creative ideas. I am very much happy that there are different new ideas and which were done by in our Cherial style painting.
My mummy, papa are really happy to see
that our work is exhibited and so many people have come to see it. Now I just want to create more and more stories.